welcome back to my channel Farouz Happy Plate. Today we are making chicken cheese samosa. Before starting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also comment. So without wasting any time, let's start. For chicken cheese samosa, first we'll put 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Next step is to add 2 big onions chopped into this. Cook the onion until it becomes soft. Do not overcook the onions. Now the onions have become soft. Now we will add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add salt according to your taste. Add half teaspoon of green chili paste. Now at this point we will add 500 grams of chicken keema, that is minced chicken. Now we'll mix this minced chicken with the onions and let it cook. Add half teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal powder. You can also use any other chili powder according to your choice. Now add half teaspoon of oregano, Italian seasoning. Now add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Now add half a lemon to this. Now cover this lid and let it cook for some time till the chicken gets cooked properly. Still under cooking mode, so we will add this coriander leaves or dhania leaves into this so that the flavor comes out perfectly. This keema will not take more time to cook as it is minced properly. Okay guys, our keema is ready and I have transferred the whole mixture into the mixing bowl. Now let this cool completely and after that we'll move on to the next step. This keema mixture is completely cooled now. We will add a generous amount of processed cheese into it. You can add any kind of cheese, but I am adding this cheese for now. Since it is the recipe of chicken cheese samosa, so cheese is must in this. We'll mix this properly. The next step is to take 2 tablespoons of atta or maida, you can also take, and add little bit of water to make thick slurry. Alright guys, our thick slurry of atta is ready. Moving on to the next step, I have taken this Swiss samosa patti here, and now we will take this samosa patti and see how to fold the samosas. Okay, I have taken this one strip. We will fold this way. This is the first triangle, and this triangle will meet the other end to make a cone, just like this. Now we'll take the slurry and stick this side so that We'll stick this corner so that we can handle the samosa properly. Now we'll fill the samosa with the chicken and cheese mixture. We'll press it with the finger. We'll turn this to this side to make a triangle. Again stick this side with the slurry. Just like this, a triangle. Okay, so our samosa is ready. This is the way how we will make all the samosas. Our samosas are ready. This recipe makes almost around 20 to 25 samosas. You can also reduce the quantity of chicken and adjust all the ingredients accordingly. Now we will fry the samosa. Heated a oil in a pan to fry the samosas. Fry them till golden brown. These samosas can be stored in the freezer for 2-3 months. They can be always served as frozen snacks. So guys, our samosas are fried and ready to serve. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, and do try this recipe. Thank you for watching my video.